Hello everyone. Today we will using hair particles in Blender to create this text effect as you can see. So let's get started. We select the light and the cube, right click, delete. Now go here in add a text. X 90 to make it in the vertical. Now go here in properties of the text. We make it in the center. Here we select any font you want. I select this one. Now hit tab and hit any text or logo you want. For me, it's Blender. We go here in geometry. We extrude it a little, maybe 0.07. Now, here in space character, we increase the number a little, just 1.1. Now go here in mesh, add a plane. S to scale it. G, Z down. Just like this. Okay, now here when you see the plus up, go here in shader editor. Hit N to close this window. And now we select the text, right click, convert to mesh. If you go here in viewport shading, as you can see, our text has a bad typography. To resolve this problem, we go here in modifier, add modifier, generate, remesh. Don't worry if you see the text like this. Go here in sharp, disable this, and increase the number here to maybe 9. Okay, our text is good. We apply the modifier. Now we select the text. We go here in particle properties, hit new, and select hair. Don't worry if you see our text like this. I increase the number here maybe to 3000. Here I give it 0.05. Okay, now select hair dynamic. We go here in children, we select interpolated. I increase the number here maybe to 30 in display. Now we go here in roughness, in random, I give it 0.05. Okay. Now I go here in cache. Here I decrease the number to maybe 120. So I give the timeline the same number. Now go here in add. In force field, we select turbulence. We go here in physics properties. We increase the number maybe to 5,000. The size, the flow, I give it maybe 1. The noise, I make it in 1. Here in power, we give it 5,000. Here in minimum distance, I give it 1 meter, and here I give it 0.5. Now GX and make it here. Now we go here in object properties, right click, insert keyframe. We go here in the end, GX, and we move it here. Right click, insert a keyframe. Now we go back here in the text. We go in particle properties and we bake all this. It's take a time to bake all this. Okay, now the back is finished. So I go here in frame 1 and I play. As you can see, what Furry text is animated. Now we go to shading. We go here. We select the plane first. We make it just metallic and roughness. I give it 0.1. Now we select the text, hit new, go here in add, in converter, we select color ramp. Go here in add. In texture, we select maybe Voronoi texture. Select Voronoi texture, Ctrl T to active the mapping and texture coordinate. Now connect color to base color. Here we connect distance to color ramp and object to vector. Now We change this color. We increase the number here to maybe 15,000. Okay, we let it like this. Now, go here in the world, in color, in environment texture, open your HDRI. I go here in download, I select one, maybe this one. Go here in render properties, we switch to cycles. Active a GPU if you have one. Here I decrease the number to 32. Here I give it just 50. In the light pad, left click, select all this and give it 1. Disable this and enable this one. Go here in color management, we select very high contrast. Now we go here in viewport shading to see our image. Now hit 0, hit N, view, camera to view, hit N to close this window. Now we zoom. We are zooming to see our text. I will look as. Now, if we go here in render image, it's take a time to give a render in cycles, but it's better than heavy. I think this color we must change it. So I go back here. We select the text SZ to make it bigger. Maybe I change this Voronoi texture and I select another texture. Maybe wave texture. The band, we make it ring. We give it some description. We decrease the scale maybe like this. You give it some light like this. Now, if we go here in render image, I think it's better like this. As you can see, the Furry is all down because we are not using the animation. When the turbulence will move it here, we will see this Furry moving. So if you want just the image, go here and save your image in any folder you want. If you want the animation, you can make it in Eevee if you want. It's faster, but enable this and this and this, and go here in output properties, select your resolution and the folder where you want to be your animation in your computer. Here in PNG, we select FFmpeg video. In encoding, we select MPEG 4. And here we select high quality. And go here in render and render your animation. So this tutorial is finished. I hope that you enjoyed to make it with me. I tell you goodbye and see you in the next one.